Today I'm going to draw a alicorn pony princess, and they have to draw it very neat. First, you have to make the head, and the snouts, and the ears. You have to make the horn very long, as you can make. And some lines on it. And the lines and the eyes. You can make the eyes whatever you want. And the eyelashes, the pupil. You can make the hair whatever you want, and make the top piece of hair. Now, then the legs and body. Then you need to make the wings big as you want. And then the tail. By the way, you have to add some texture. And if you like to make it as a filly princess, you don't need to put the cutie mark. If you want to make it as a grown-up, you can put the cutie mark. Any type of cutie mark. And add some texture to the wings. Then you're all done. Thank you for watching how to draw a Princess Alicorn. Bye-bye.